I'm Regina, and this is my 90s hair tutorial. I think the 90s beauty and hairstyles are so memorable because there were no rules. You could just mix and match different trends like the super thin brows, the iconic frosted eyeshadow, and have any hairstyles to make it look extra or tone it down, and it actually worked. If I were in the 90s, my go-to hairstyle would be a good blowout if I had long hair. If I was a teenager, I'd probably have so much fun with crimping my hair. So the 90s beauty trend I wish would make a comeback is probably the glossy cherry lips. I think a good glossy lip is just so nice, and obviously love a classic red lip. But a vampy glossy red lip just takes it to another level. I know a lot of people will probably not agree, but I just love it.